Rudolph Research Analytical has supported quality control operations in sugar laboratories for decades. Rudolph's saccharimeters are the gold standard for testing optical rotation and evaluating sugar purity in refineries globally. Our saccharimeters are utilized by TARE and QC labs in dozens of countries and across hundreds of different companies around the world. Rudolph Research is now also your source for Octopol, the most efficient and environmentally friendly clarifier on the market. Now you have one source for expertise on both sample preparation and analysis for all phases of your sugar refining operations. The experts at Rudolph Research can assist you in every aspect of your sugar testing needs. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to properly prepare your samples using Octopol Clarifier. Filtering sugar solutions for the purposes of polarimetric analysis is a process that removes particulates greater than 1 micron when using Whatman 91 filter paper. Clarification is a process that adds a clarification reagent like Octopol that removes both turbidity and color. Octopol was developed as a safe and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional clarifiers that used lead subacetate. Octopol is composed of 8 unique biodegradable chemicals that efficiently filter unwanted particles and sugar derivative from your sugar juice. Octopol is appropriate for use with all types of juices, liquors, syrups, and molasses samples, and is used globally in both sugarcane and sugar beet refineries. Only a small amount of Octopol, usually no more than 5 to 10 grams, is sufficient to clarify 100 to 200 mLs of samples. Octopol is stable for up to 5 years in dry conditions prior to activation. Once the activating reagent is added to the Octopol mix, it should be used within 30 days. To activate Octopol, simply add the separately packaged activator to the bottle of the base Octopol reagent and shake vigorously for about 5 minutes. Note that Octopol is a very fine powder. Care should be taken to prevent the dust from becoming aerosolized. After thorough mixing of the activated Octopol, allow the bottle to settle for 5 minutes. In a 200 milliliter bottle or flask, add 100 milliliters of your unclarified juice. Then add roughly 5 grams of activated Octopol to the flask, seal it with a rubber stopper, and vigorously mix the contents for about 20 seconds. The resulting solution should look like this, about the consistency of a milkshake. Now it's time to filter your sample. Use a funnel and filter paper to collect the filtrate. The first 10 mLs or so of filtrate should be discarded or returned to the bottle for refiltration. Note that fluted filter paper is preferred as it provides faster flow rates. If your juice is prone to high turbidity, you may want to use 2 pieces of fluted filter paper. Note that filtration aids, such as diatomaceous earth, are not necessary when using Octopol. Your filtered juice should look like this. This clarified solution is now ready for analysis in your Rudolph Research saccharimeter. If your filtered solution is clear but dark, refilter with a larger amount of Octopol clarifier. If your filtered solution is cloudy, let the sample stand longer before filtration. An additional filter may also be helpful. If your filtered solution is clear or cloudy but colorless, reduce the amount of Octopol clarifier. These solution color suggestions are guidelines. Your QC laboratory may have different solution specifications and clarity goals. For example, customers using an 880 nanometer light source may desire darker clarified solutions, since the 880 nanometer light more efficiently measures dark samples. You can adjust the basic Octopol use instructions to fit your laboratory's protocols. Since all of the components of Octopol are non-toxic, they may be disposed of in the regular trash. The team at Rudolph Research Analytical stands ready to support your QC lab. As experts in both sample preparation and analysis, Rudolph Research Analytical is your best source for the continued support of your sugar analysis laboratory. Rudolph is also at the cutting edge of automation of sugar analysis. We have deployed fully automated sugar testing systems that efficiently measure degrees Z, Brix, pH, and color of sugar samples. We are happy to answer any questions or discuss our systems in more detail. Please feel free to contact us by email at info@rudolphresearch.com, by phone at 973-584-1558, or visit our website, www.rudolphresearch.com. Thank you.